Have you ever walked into a specific room in your house and instantly felt exhausted? Or noticed that no matter how hard you hustle, your bank account never seems to grow, and your monthly bills just keep climbing? We usually blame stress, the economy, or just getting older. But what if the real culprit is something completely invisible, hiding right inside the walls of your own home? What if your house is actually trapping a specific type of stagnant, dead energy that is silently draining your wallet, your focus, and your vitality? That is exactly what I used to think was crazy, until I stumbled across something called the Orgone Motor. Now, before you roll your eyes and click away, just hear me out for a second. The Orgone Motor isn't some complicated, sci-fi machine that requires an engineering degree to understand. It is a beautifully simple, easy-to-assemble system designed to tap into what researchers call orgone energy, the natural, ambient life force that surrounds us everywhere, but often gets blocked in our modern homes. The number one biggest benefit here is a total environmental shift. Users all over the world are reporting that once this little motor is built and running in their living space, that heavy, stuck feeling in their house just vanishes. The brain fog lifts. You sleep deeper. You feel more motivated. And weirdly enough, opportunities, good luck, and financial flow just seem to start coming in a lot easier. It is literally like unclogging a pipe, but for your home's entire energy field. You just set it up, turn it on, and it goes to work for you. I know this sounds a little out there. I was super skeptical too when I first heard about it. But here is the crazy part that completely changed my mind. While I was digging through the creator's private notes, I found a secret teaser that almost didn't make it into the final public guide. There is a very specific, 15-degree angle at which you must align the outer copper coils to the central chamber. The creator almost left this detail out because it felt too simple. But that exact 15-degree tilt is the secret sauce that multiplies the orgone output by 10. Without that one tiny tweak, it's basically just a pretty paperweight. But with it, it is an absolute game changer for your home. Look, I am just going to be real with you. The original creators of the Orgone Motor are getting a massive amount of attention right now. Because of the sheer volume of people trying to access the blueprints, they have already had to take their main page offline twice this month just to handle the server load. If you want to try this for yourself and finally clear the stagnant energy out of your life, you need to move fast. You need to click the link in the YouTube description or the first pinned comment right now. If you wait until tomorrow, the page might be gone, and the special fast action bonus they are including right now will definitely expire. Do not let your home keep draining you for another month. Click the link, secure your access, and start shifting your environment today. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you on the inside.